So hello class 7 students, welcome back again. So today in this video we will be discussing some of the short answer type questions from the chapter Nutrition in Animals. So let's begin. The first question, what is the role of mucus in stomach? Mucus is the secretion of stomach, right? So what is the role of mucus in our stomach? Answer is the mucus protects the lining of stomach from its own secretions of hydrochloric acid. Now you know that stomach also releases or secretes hydrochloric acid, right? So to protect the stomach from hydrochloric acid, there is what? Mucus. Okay, stomach releases what? Mucus, and it protects the inner lining of the stomach from hydrochloric acid. Okay, you can pause the video and you can note it down from here. Next question. What is the role of hydrochloric acid in stomach? Answer is here. You see, hydrochloric acid kills bacteria that enter the stomach with the food. Okay, if some of the bacteria enters the stomach with food, then this hydrochloric acid will kill those bacteria. So hydrochloric acid also makes the medium of the stomach acidic. Okay, hydrochloric acid also makes the medium in the stomach acidic, and this is necessary. Why it is necessary? Because there will be proper action of digestive juices on proteins in the stomach. Okay, so the medium of stomach should be acidic. Why? Because the digestive juices also, which is also secreted by the stomach, will act on the proteins and properly. Okay, the digestive juices will act on the proteins properly. The digestive juices will break down the proteins into simpler substances. So and this will happen only in the acidic medium. That is why it is necessary that the medium of the stomach should be acidic in nature. Okay, that is why you see the hydrochloric acid also makes the medium of the stomach acidic, which is necessary for the proper action of digestive juices on proteins in the stomach. And the digestive juices secreted by the stomach lining break down the proteins present in our food into simpler substances, and this happens in the acidic medium. Okay, so this is necessary. The medium of the stomach should be acidic in nature. Okay, next question. What is alimentary canal? Name the various parts of alimentary canal and the associated glands. Answer is alimentary canal, right? So it is a long tube running from mouth to anus of a human being or any other animal, in which digestion and absorption of food takes place, which is called as alimentary canal. Okay, so in alimentary canal is a long tube running from mouth to the anus. Okay, and where digestion and absorption of food takes place. Now the various parts of alimentary canal are buccal cavity, we are talking about human beings, oesophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. And the three glands associated with alimentary canal are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. Okay, so this is the answer of that question. Next question. What is the action of saliva on food? Answer is, you see, saliva is secreted by salivary glands, right? So the salivary glands secrete a watery liquid called saliva. The tongue helps in mixing the saliva with food. There is also tongue in our buccal cavity. So this tongue helps in mixing the saliva with the food. Now the saliva is a digestive juice which helps to digest the starch present in the food partially. Starch is a complex carbohydrate, and this saliva is required, which is a digestive juice. Saliva is a digestive juice which will be required to digest the starch present in the food partially. Initially, this saliva will help to break down the starch, which is a complex carbohydrate. Okay, next question. How does amoeba take in the food? That means how does amoeba take in or ingest the food? Answer is, you see, amoeba takes in food by using pseudopodia, which is the finger-like projections finger-like projections, right? False feet. Pseudopodia is the finger-like projections, which is the also known as false feet, right? Pseudopodia. So what happens when a food particle comes near amoeba? Okay, like this in the diagram I'm going to show you here. When a food particles, you see this is the food particle over here. Okay, this is the food particle. When a food particle comes near amoeba, then this amoeba produces two pseudopodia around the food particle and then surrounds it. Okay, it will surround it. The pseudopodia, as you can see from the figure, it is surrounding the food particle, right? So the two pseudopodia then join around the food particle and trap the food particle with a little amount of water, forming a food vacuole inside the amoeba. As you can see from the next diagram, you see these two pseudopodia are surrounding the food particle, right? Then what happens? This two pseudopodia when then joins, you see in this diagram, it just this two pseudopodia joined completely, it has joined, okay, around the food particle, and then it will trap the food particle with a little amount of water over here, and this is known as what? Food vacuole. Okay, forming a food vacuole inside the amoeba. In the food vacuole, the digestion process happens in amoeba. You can pause the video, you can note it down, and also you just draw the diagram. Okay, it is necessary. This diagram will be, it is necessary, it is important. Okay, next question. Name the various kind of teeth in our mouth. State their functions. Okay, answer is the various kind of teeth in our mouth are incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Okay, and their functions are, let's see, for incisors, the incisors are for biting and cutting the food particle or food. Canines, the canines are for piercing and tearing the food. Then premolars, the function of premolars and molars are same, that is they are used for chewing and grinding the food. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Next question. State the various functions of tongue. Name 4 different tastes which can be detected by our tongue. So this is the last question of the video, short answer type questions. So the answer is, the various functions of the tongue are, you see the first function, the tongue helps in mixing saliva with the food during chewing. Okay, the tongue helps in swallowing the food into the food pipe or say esophagus. Next question, next function, the tongue helps in getting the taste of food. Okay, the tongue also helps to detect the taste of food. And the last function is, the tongue is essential for talking or speaking. Now there are 4 different tastes detected by our tongue, and these are what? Sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Okay, so this completes the answer of this question. So that's all for today, and in the next video I will be giving some long answer type questions. Okay, long answer type question and answers I will be giving in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.